Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today I am in the White House area. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. Yeah, then abroad you can big up on yourself. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So yes, some people, I'm now in Culloden. Yeah man, so very close to White House Beach Club. So keep on watching. So this channel is all about Jamaica. Yeah man, you can know different places in Jamaica with a tour guide Fire Reid. So we are now in Culloden, Westmoreland, very close to the White House Beach Club. On your left, you have the New Hope Moravian Church. Yeah man, see white right across. On your right, that is the White House Beach Club. So big up on yourself, anyone now watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. I'm very close to the Sandals White House. So we're having some nice weather today in the Westmoreland area. Very nice weather today. So this is the Sandals South Coast Jamaica 2023 tour in the Westmoreland area. So this is where you can find the Sandals White House, giving a scenic peek on the entrance. Tell us that the place look green and pretty. So if you want a vacation in the White House area, you all can book the Sandals White House all inclusive. You can leave from there, go to the Pelican Bar in Black River. Also take a tour into the Black River Safari, Wyeth Falls in St. Elizabeth. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about Westmoreland area, guys. Yeah man, leave it in the comment section. Make you know Westmoreland. So you know in the April, May, most of them time a rainy season in Jamaica. So if you love the weather, you know things kinda change some of the time, but you know them you have to pre the weather forecast more time. But them time in Jamaica we have a lot of rain, April, May. Wow, you have some nice landscape. So I'll take you out to the entrance to the Sandals all inclusive. So this is the parking area. Also we have a parking lot. So this is the Sandals South Coast. Yeah man, say taxi man let off them workers and thing. Yeah man. You know, so we have to mash up the works. All about the hustling, you know. So I'm taking them back on the main you now. So at least you have an understanding about the Sandals in the Westmoreland area. So if you want to book and spend a week at this place, you can do so. Sometimes you want to get away from home, so you all can come here and enjoy yourself. So I'm back on the main road. So you have to look out for the pothole. So in this area, if you want your land crab to buy, you can check right in this area, get your land crab for buy, you know. Approaching rest stop 1.5 kilometer. So we are very close. We are now in a school zone, so you have to be very careful. Look out for the kids. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.